The DEERC D60 Drone is an excellent choice for beginners, offering high-definition video capabilities with a camera that captures stunning images at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 22 minutes with the DEERC D60 Drone, ensuring longer adventures without the constant need to change batteries. With intuitive hand and voice control features, the DEERC D60 Drone provides a futuristic flying experience, making it easy to capture photos and videos with simple gestures. Equipped with beginner-friendly features like altitude hold and one-key start land, the DEERC D60 Drone is perfect for those new to flying, making it easy to learn and master. The DEERC D60 Drone allows you to transform your phone into a control console, offering a unique flying experience through gravity sensor mode and tap fly function. This foldable drone is not only a great gift for kids and adults alike, but also offers a safe flying experience with its overcharge protection mechanism.